So let's imagine we have a gold bar weighing 1 kilograms that's worth around $50,000. If you had 4 of those, logically that would make $200,000. Fair enough, right? But what if you wanted to know the worth of all gold in the entire world? Well, for that, you first need to know how many gold bars exist, which would be around 200,000, and multiply that with the price of 1 gold bar, which is $50,000. In doing that, you get the market cap of gold, which is around $10 trillion, telling you something about the total value of an asset. This is the formula for determining the market cap. So let's take this logic and put it to Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin is worth 30,000, and there's around 20 million coins in supply, giving you a market cap of $600 billion. Now you're thinking to yourself, well, why should I care? What's in it for me? Well, market cap helps you speculate about the future. You could say, what if Bitcoin ever gets as large as gold? So let's compare the market caps of each. We can see that gold is 17 times larger than Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin ever gets to the same market cap as gold, it would need to increase 17 times. And the numbers also go up 17 times. So your 1,000 worth of Bitcoin would be worth 17,000. And the Bitcoin price would be $510,000. Now let's compare Dogecoin to Bitcoin. We can see that Bitcoin's market cap is 27 times as large. So let's fill in the numbers again. Your 1,000 worth of Doge would be worth 27,000, and the Doge price would go up to $5.40. Let's take it one step further. So what if Dogecoin ever gets as large as gold? Let's see. So we have a current price of 20 cents each. Your 1,000 worth of Doge would be worth a whopping $500,000. Yeah, and the Doge price would go up to $100 each. So you can imagine the odds of one Dogecoin being worth $30,000, the price of one Bitcoin. I'd argue maybe not so likely. Alright, that's it for the video. Subscribe for more newbie tutorials. Thank you.